from the Fire and Emergency Services Authority in Western Australia. Firstly, thank you to the SCDF for inviting us here to this challenge and also the workshop. It's been a fantastic week. We look forward to staying a few more days and learning a lot from Singapore and also the other international guests. The GFPC this morning was fantastic fun, really great environment, and we had a fantastic time. So thanks very much for having us here.
MD Muhammad Abdul Salam, Assistant Instructor, Fire Service and Civil Defence Directorate, Bangladesh. We are very proud for join this course or this workshop. It is very good for us to gather a lot of experience in this workshop, and we provide this experience in our country, our department for skill development. We wish again invite us. Okay, thank you.
Positif, one line negative. Tim dari international skills saya akan segera yang mengikuti pertandingan yang dilakukan Singapore dan di mana antara teman-teman middle dan di pertandingan. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Douglas. Chinese name Mo Shan Hoi from Hong Kong Fire Service Special Rescue Squad. I think this competition is very valuable to us. We have a chance to exchange the skills and experience from different counterparts from our country. And I hope we have an opportunity to come here every year, learn more from Singapore, and even have an opportunity to invite the Singapore guys come to our country to have more sharing. Thank you.
Kami dari Indonesia yang diwakili oleh dari pemadam kebakaran DKI Jakarta, tentunya sangat senang sekali dengan kegiatan yang diselenggarakan oleh Singapura ini, karena beberapa hal bisa kami dapat di sini di Singapura. Kita bisa melihat fasilitas yang dimiliki Singapura, kemudian teknik dan metode bagaimana cara melakukan penyelamatan dan lain sebagainya. Ini merupakan suatu bahan ajar buat kami untuk belajar di Singapura, dan kami banyak tertarik dengan berbagai jenis training yang ada di Singapura ini, dan kemungkinan juga Indonesia akan mengirimkan peserta atau personil yang akan ikut latihan di Singapura ini. Hal-hal yang sangat baru, hal-hal yang baik yang ada di Singapura ini di Indonesia pun bisa diterapkan seperti itu.
Hello, I'm from Macau Fire Service. After the competition and the workshop, we make so many fans from so many other countries and make a very good relationship. I think I want to join this competition and workshop to next year. Yeah, thank you.
Nama saya Inspektor Safrizan Biswani. Saya daripada Pasukan Mencari dan Menyelamat Khas Malaysia. Sepanjang tempoh CD skill, kami dapat banyak pengalaman dan pengetahuan di antara negara-negara lain, dan sepanjang aktiviti yang dijalankan, perkara yang paling penting adalah kerjasama di antara semua negara.
So I'm Muhammad Azuna bin Muhammad Sabri. I'm from the Storm Team, Fire Rescue Department, Special Technical Operation Rescue Team of Malaysia. So I very enjoy to come here because these challenges can give me so many knowledge and experience. So I very happy, and I think I want to come here again by the next year. Okay, thank you. Welcome to Malaysia. Thank you, Singapore.
Saya Ridwan bin Adin daripada Jabatan Pertahanan Awam Malaysia, iaitu daripada Pasukan Khas Pertahanan Awam PASPA.
Jadi sepanjang kami berada di sini dan pengalaman yang dapat ditemui lah. Jadi untuk mengharungi game-game tu dengan pertandingan yang mencabar ni, dan satu lagi pengalaman adalah kita menggabungkan antara agensi yang ada di Singapura ni lah, dan international agensi yang kita gabung sekali, dan kita boleh join sekali, bertukar-tukar pendapat dan bertukar keringat untuk kita memerah keringat kita untuk mencapai kemenangan. Itu yang kami target, itu mencapai goal lah, gold medal. Jadi dengan situ semua beri kerjasama yang baik. Jadi saya rasa aktiviti ni memang bagus untuk kita combination bersama tim-tim yang lain lah. Jadi I want to say to thank you to all SCDF because invite our team to join the game, and I hope next year SCDF can invite me again to join join your game. Thank you SCDF.
It is our first time to Singapore trip. We had very good chance, a friendly trip, enjoyable, get a lot of good experience. I think we can apply in our. We usually have the fire brigade day. In our fire brigade day, we can do like competition, very funny game. So it's very good chance, good opportunity for us.
I'm Ravi from Thailand, DDPM department. I'm joined this year with CD skill. I think it's really fantastic. The game is really exciting and a good chance to make the international network and a new friend, good relationship